What's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your boy Kabi, getting that work in, you feel me? This is for all the truck drivers who are not trying to get that work in. You feel me? Make money and look good, baby. Let's get it on, man. Let's get it on. Push-ups first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Let's go, baby. Gotta get that work in. That work in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How are we gonna do the dumper? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as soon as you do that, now we're gonna go jump. Hands up because I'm a fighter. Hands up. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a little workout. You know what I mean? A little cardio. Get that work in, baby. Get that work in. Don't be lazy out here. It's either you become lazy and fat, or you put that work in. You gotta get that work in, baby. You gotta get that work in. You gotta get that work in. Gotta get that work in, man. The goal was 200 push-ups and 200 squats. So I'm about to complete those 2 tasks. And then I'm gonna do shoulders. And then I'm gonna do legs, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, I've been shadow boxing, you know what I mean? Baby. You can always work out. You can always get that work in, so get that work in. And that's it for the night. I'm gonna go complete my workout. Like it's a little snippet, but you guys can watch and maybe you can try it too, you feel me? But yeah, man, go get that money. Go run the miles. And definitely go put that work in, baby. Let's go, fam. 0 2.